Elfie, now that we're friends, I've decided to make you my new project. You really didn't have to do that. I know. That's what makes me so nice. Whenever I see someone less fortunate than I, let's face it, right? Who isn't less fortunate than I? My tender heart tends to start to bleed. And when someone needs a makeover, I simply have to take over. I know exactly what they need. And even your case, though it's the toughest case I've yet to face, don't worry, I'm determined to succeed. Follow my lead, and yes, indeed, you will. Popular, you're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the proper poise when you talk to boys, the ways to flirt and flounce. Oh! I'll teach you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair, everything that really counts to be popular. I'll help you be popular. You'll hang with the right cohorts, you'll be good at sports, all the slang you've got to know. So let's start, 'cause you've got an awfully long way to go. Don't be offended by my frank analysis. Think of it as personality dialysis. Allow children to become a policist or an advisor. There's nobody wiser, not when it comes to popular. I know about popular, and with an assist from me to be who you'll be, instead of cheering who you were, well, are. There's nothing that can stop you from becoming popular. Lar, la, 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 la. Popular. When I see depressing creatures with unprepossessing features, I just remind them of their we have to think of celebrated hands of stick or especially good communicators. Did they have it or not? Don't make me laugh. They were popular. Right! It's all about popular. It's not about aptitude. It's the way you're viewed. So it's very true to me. Very, very popular. Like me. Ooh. And though you protest your disinterest, I know can dance in me. You're gonna grin and bear popularity.